Kerrville flood.
It has been raining all night and half day today. Caused the dam to overflow, guys. I'm here trying to take a video and share with you. Look at all those bubbles. And this lady's trying to go fish. This is the dam here in Kerrville. It's overflowing today, July 23rd, 2024. Yep, it's flooded. Look at all those bubbles, guys. Lots of bubbles, right? Lots of bubbles. Okay, I think the water came up this much, this far. So, see this debris right up to here. So, wow. And there's some debris up to here too, guys. So I think the water came up this much and it went down some. Yep. I think it came up to here. Yeah. Look at all those bubbles, guys.
Yeah, look, some island.
It's a lot of high water. Yep.
We haven't lived here very long, so we saw a picture on Google.
Oh,
and we said, oh my goodness, we have to go look.
Yeah, I saw a picture on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at all that trees bending over down, so I bet it was a strong current that came this way. I think there is more rain coming tonight. Look at the beauty, man. Beautiful. Look at the clouds and the flood overflowing the dam. Pretty, guys. Flooded July 2024. The clouds beautiful. I think there's more rain coming. Okay, guys, I am in this pavilion and let's see how high the water is, the flooding. Okay, guys, did you hear that sound? Here it is. This is Guadalupe Port. This is the Guadalupe Port, the dam. What? The ducks down there? It is flooded, guys. It's flooded all the way to the parking lot. See the parking lot over there? Yeah.
There was a little sidewalk there where
Yeah.
you guys can bike riding.
It's flooded.
And it's flood.
Yeah.
The one
Yep.
that has the whole
Look
lot.
at those bubblies down there, guys. Can you see? Yep. It's flooded. But right now the sky is nice and blue. The sky is nice and blue. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it. We're done with our flood hunt. So I would like to ask for you guys to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.